Out here filling up. Almost back home to Jonesboro. Almost there. Or actually, we just left the lake. Not even gonna lie. But little fill up session, and then we'll be on our way. Going out for heat number 1. We didn't get our GoPros charged. We totally forgot where we left. I mean, we left on Tuesday. Really not our fault, but I mean, it kind of is, kind of not. But I'm about to go out there. Showed up a little late. Just now made it for the.
Your dad did.
Yeah, my dad made it late. I mean, he had all my stuff, but we are going to. I was gonna hot lap. He's gonna hot lap. Hot lap's already almost over, so I'm about to run my first heat. About to get my Raceway helmet, gloves, crap like that, and I'll see you guys on the track. Probably won't record the heat. Probably gonna win it because I'm not recording it. Okay, I'll tell y'all how it goes. So guys, I actually got the GoPro up and running. Set its full battery. Who knows how long it'll actually last. Shut my butt off. I'm about to go see where I got them started. Why'd you say that, man? I'm trying to record. Anyways, we're about to go out for my heat. Probably be the first because I always, really never get time to slow down. Camera didn't really focus last time. I'm probably gonna put my hand up here, hoping it'll white balance a little bit better. But if it don't, I apologize. And I'll see you guys in the heat race. Hold on.
problems, and the radiator belt. No, that's the radiator belt. Dadgummit, it's some kind of freaking belt. Got warped, stopped working, let my car get hot, and 2 of the little spring. Oh gosh, I can't talk right now. I'm really stressing. Whenever I'm stressing, I can't talk. Anyways, the 2 of the wires, just call them wires, came loose. I don't really think that affected the car, really. The fan not being able to turn got the car hot, and I lost a lot of revs. Anyways, we got it fixed. About to go out for the A-main. I'll see you guys then.
They're on the front row.
So guys, you may be wondering why the footage just stopped. Well, I want to let y'all know that today is Thursday, which is probably the day it's going to get uploaded. But I've tried multiple times every single day this week to get my GoPro footage to work, just so I could show y'all how insanely crazy this race was. Well, I kept trying and I could never actually get it to work. So I had to go with what my dad got me. I'm so sorry it's videoed like an iPhone. I apologize for that. But I also want to say, what y'all didn't just see is that we take a few, maybe like 10 caution laps there, and my radiator hose blew off. As you can tell, I was kind of fading back through the race. I kept losing oil pressure throughout the night. I'm surprised it even went that long without, you know, dadgum blowing up. Excuse me. But it did, so I knew eventually there was just no way I was going to actually finish that race. Well, I got pretty close. There's probably about 6 laps left, but we were just pacing and no one could figure out where they were in my car. I mean, it wasn't really all that hot, but it was hot enough to blow that radiator hose right off there. And so why I wanted to show y'all the GoPro footage so bad was because I'm in there and I'm just driving, I'm cruising, I think I'm going to be fine. Next thing you know, just go boom, and then water just sprays everywhere, and I get a whole freaking, like hotter than a girl's bath water. I'm not even kidding. Crap was sizzling hot, but I really wanted to show y'all that. That's why I kept putting this video off, you know, day after day after day. I kept putting the video off, but eventually I've just given up. So I'm sorry, guys, and if one day I do get the GoPro footage to go onto my computer without messing up, then I would love to show you guys that, and I'll probably make it a separate video. But other than that, you saw the 2 huge crashes that went down. Those were pretty crazy, you know. I'm lucky to get by some of that stuff. I feel so bad for Nick Weaver, man. He had a really rough night. Same with Philip Salter, but I think just about everyone had a rough night that night. So, you know what? That's just racing. We'll be back at it again this next week. It's Thursday. I got a 4-day tournament coming up. Actually starts Thursday, but I don't play Thursday. I just play Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, I'm going to go ahead and play some baseball games on Saturday, come back home Saturday night, and we're going to get to racing. I hope to see you guys there. I can't wait to see some of you guys there, and I'll see y'all later.